Saturday, March 19th. Beautiful day in the neighborhood. "21.5 inches of snow between Thursday night and last night, Friday. And now it's time for everyone to dig out. I'm wading through knee-deep snow, and I hope I don't fall. This is crazy. Tim's down at the elevator getting the tractor. He's gonna have to blow us out, blow the neighbors out, and blow a few more people out around town. And then we're supposed to head to Dean's. Oh boy. It's going past my knees. Wow. This is crazy. March 19th to get this much snow. It is the boys' basketball tournament in the cities. But boy, it's a beautiful day.